Let me ask you this. Did you dive into crypto, thinking it was your golden ticket to wealth? You're not alone. But here's the harsh truth. Crypto alone won't secure your future. In 2025, the game is changing. The smart investors aren't just riding the crypto wave, they're using it as a springboard to bigger, more sustainable investments. So, if you're ready to stop gambling and start growing real wealth, you're in the right place. Let's turn your crypto gains into a financial empire. The setup: why crypto alone isn't enough. Crypto has been a wild ride. The promise of turning a few dollars into a fortune had everyone hooked. But let's face it, markets crash, regulations tighten, and coins disappear overnight. While crypto remains a powerful tool, it's just one piece of the puzzle. Putting all your eggs in this volatile basket is risky, especially when more stable, wealth-building opportunities exist. So, how do you grow your crypto gains into something bigger? Let's explore. The conflict: diversify into index funds. First, let's talk about index funds. These are the unsung heroes of wealth building. They offer diversification and steady growth, and historically outperform most other investments. Here's the best part: you don't need to be a Wall Street wizard to invest in them. With platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity, you can put your money to work in top-performing stocks without lifting a finger. But one key mistake could cost you thousands when investing in index funds. Don't worry, I'll reveal it shortly. Real estate. Affordable options for big returns. Think real estate is out of reach? Think again. Thanks to options like REITs, real estate investment trusts, you can own a stake in properties with as little as $100. Imagine earning passive income from malls, apartment complexes, or even skyscrapers, all without being a landlord. And no, flipping houses after watching HGTV isn't what I'm suggesting here. But not all REITs are created equal. Choosing the wrong one could leave you with poor returns. Stick around, and I'll show you how to avoid the traps. Bonds and high-yield savings accounts for stability. Now, let's talk about safety nets. High-yield savings accounts and government bonds might not sound exciting, but they're essential for securing your portfolio. Bonds provide reliable returns, especially when markets get shaky, while high-yield accounts give you liquidity, money you can access quickly when needed. The trick is knowing how much to allocate to these safe options without sacrificing growth. And we're about to tie it all together. The resolution: building your balanced portfolio. Here's the secret to turning your crypto gains into lasting wealth. Diversification. A balanced portfolio isn't just a buzzword, it's the foundation of financial freedom. By combining the growth potential of crypto and stocks with the stability of bonds and real estate, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Think of it like building a pizza. You need a solid crust, the right toppings, and just enough cheese to make it perfect. But there's one strategy that ties it all together and makes your money grow faster than you can imagine. If you're serious about building wealth, there's one concept you must master: the power of compounding. It's the ultimate wealth multiplier, and it works whether you're starting with $100 or $100,000. Click on the next video to learn how compounding can transform your financial future. This is where the magic happens.